And once you get the procedure done, can you dive back into the world, or do you need some time off?
No, that's the beauty of it. There's no downtime. It's non-invasive, right? So we say maybe 24 hours, no exercise. After that, do whatever you want to do.
Oh, that's great. Well, that's fantastic. Hey everyone, welcome to Chat Central. People do want to be in great shape for the summer, whether you are at a party or whether you happen to be at a wedding or elsewhere, you do want to look your best. There is something called CoolSculpting, which you may not have heard of, which is a great treatment to help you with that perfect bod that you're looking for. So we're down at Wave Skincare in Surrey, and with me is Dr. Satinder Sanghi, and she is the medical director of CoolSculpting at Wave Skincare. Let's say hello to her. Dr. Sanghi, most welcome to the program. How are you doing?
Thank you so much. I'm doing great, Isha.
So tell me a little bit about this CoolSculpting. I just love the name as it is. Very cool sounding.
Yeah, you're sculpting, right? Essentially, that's what it is. In one sentence, it's a treatment to get rid of stubborn fat in your body. Speaking scientifically, it's an FDA cleared, Health Canada approved treatment to treat stubborn areas of fat in our body to permanently remove them. The science and technology was developed by Harvard scientists, and what it's doing is delivering extreme cold to the area that we want to treat to the point that it freezes those fat cells in the area. And once they're frozen, they can't bounce back, so essentially they're destroyed. And slowly over time, over a period of a few months to 2 to 3 months, the body naturally eliminates them from our body.
That's really cool. That is very cool. So you mentioned that it is a medical treatment.
Yes.
So does that mean we're looking at multiple treatments, or will one treatment do with stubborn fat?
So it really depends on what. So when I do consultations for our patients at Wave, we sit down and we discuss, first of all, are they medically candidate? Because it is a medical treatment. We're doing permanent changes in your body, right? So it's once we've determined that, yes, you're a candidate, then we look at what is your goal. Some patients come in and they just want to fit into their jeans. They don't want to have the muffin top. Others will say, well, I'm getting married and I'm wearing a short top and I need to see my abs. Others will say, I'm going to Mexico. Well, we won't be traveling anytime soon, but
putting on a bikini.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then, so it depends on the goal, but then before we even discuss that, it's going to be more how much of the area that we're going to treat, what kind of fat amount are we looking at? Some people will have more, some people will have less. So somebody coming in, they might only need the one treatment. And others, when we assess you, we will let you know, do you need one treatment? Do you need 2 treatments? But the second treatment is not done before 2 to 3 months, because the results continue for up to 3-4 months once the treatment's done.
Oh, okay. Well, that's really good to know. So when we talk about, because it's a medical treatment where we're, dealing with stubborn fat in the body, and like you said, we're changing the body here, what sort of an age group are we looking at, both for men and women?
Any age group.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, we'll have people in their 20s, and then we'll have people in their 50s and 60s. So it really depends on, because you can't really limit by age number, because we see people who are in their 60s, extremely fit individuals, and they also cannot get rid of that little spot, whether it's the abdominal area or whether it's the flanks or back or whatever it is.
Right.
So anybody's but we have to obviously clear you medically. So at Wave, our consultations, like I said, are done with me because it's a medical treatment again, making permanent changes in your body. So first we have to clear you.
I see, okay. And then when we talk about pricing, how does that work?
Because every body's different, the amount of fat is different, how the fat is sitting is different, your goal might be different. Somebody, like I said earlier, somebody might want their abs showing and others don't. So once we do the consultation and we map you and the treatment plan is done, then we can give you a price. So it's really hard to give you a price.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Yeah.
And once you get the procedure done, can you dive back into the world, or do you need some time off?
No, that's the beauty of it. There's no downtime. It's non-invasive, right? Of course, You might feel a little sore for a couple of days. You might get a little bit of bruising.
Okay.
So
those are some of the side effects?
Some of the side effects,
okay.
yeah. You might feel a little numbness. So we say maybe 24 hours, no exercise. After that, do whatever you want to do.
Oh, that's great. Well, that's fantastic.
It's not just a simple treatment.
Right.
So it's a medical treatment. It's changes in your body. So we got to make sure that your consultation, wherever you're doing it, I'd be more than happy to do it here for you, but wherever you're doing it, make sure it's with somebody who understands the body and the physiology and the anatomy of that.
CoolSculpting, you heard it from the expert herself. So if you're wanting to look into the procedure, you can check out Wave Skincare and definitely consult Dr. Satinder Sanghi as well. So thank you so much for sharing that information. And I really like the machine, as you can see over there. So CoolSculpting. Well, thank you so much for taking the time.
Thank you so much.
Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe.